Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice simple avocado wrap. So first, you need a plate and the wrap part. Next you need the avocado, a knife, and a spoon. Now, if you're under age 10, then I suggest parent help with the knife, okay? Because I don't want you to cut yourself. So first, you take the avocado. You only need about half, like I have right now. You put the knife in. And you take it out like that. Thank you. And then you want to throw the pit out, but I can't do that right now. Then you put the knife aside. You don't need any parent help anymore. Next, you take the spoon, and you want the plate with the wrap out too. You don't need your cutting board anymore. What you do is you scoop it right out. And you might want your cutting board back if you want to, like slice it nicely. But right now we're just doing it nice and simple. Basically, if your cutting board's in front of you, just put it on there. I'm going to show you how to do the cutting part of this. If you want to cut it, then basically you just go that, and remember, now if you're under probably age 5, then you'll need parent help. But if you're 6 and up, I'm sure you can do this. The unpitting the avocado is a bit dangerous. Then you want to take your avocado, you want to put it in the middle of your burrito. And it's okay if you get a bit messy. It's fine. If you don't want to do the cutting thing, and if you're under age 5, I suggest scooping it out into a bowl and mashing it and then putting it on. Otherwise, you'll need parent help if you want it nicely sliced. Remember, it's okay if you get messy. It's okay if it's not that even. Remember, it's just a simple avocado wrap. Next, you want to wash your hands. So you want to go to your sink. Come on, don't be afraid. And basically, you just want to wash your hands because you want to become germy. You just want to wash your hands. And remember, don't forget the soap. Put happy birthday in your head. Then you wash it off. Turn the sink off. First, you get all the water off, then you dry them. Then, next, here's the hard part, wrapping it. You take the end that's closest to you, you take the end that's farthest from you, and you put them together like a bag. Then, you put it a little bit away from there, just like at the end of the avocado. You flatten this, you flatten this. Then you take this, you put it on, and you put it on. Now it's okay if it's a little small, because I only used a half of an avocado, but if you use a whole avocado, you might be able to get a whole burrito. So you just wrap it carefully. And then voila! Now, if you want to warm it up on the stove, well, should we do that? It's nice to have a nice hot burrito. Okay, so now, let's move over to the stove. My burrito's in my hand. I'm going to use the small stove top. Thank you. And then, you turn the stove on. And you slightly oil the pan here. want it on med, or like in between med and med high, so like basically med, then you basically want to spread it a little bit. But be careful. Parents should help you with this part if you want to warm it up. And then you just place your burrito on. Nice, give it a nice flat. Come on. And you get a spatula. Let's see. Not this kind of spatula though. Let's see if we... Oh, there's a nice spatula. Thank you. Let's just dry that off. I don't know where that was. I am not a very good person when it comes to just dry that off. Okay. If you don't have a spatula in hand, you might want an adult to carefully use their hand to flip it over. You basically flatten it. You wait. And wait. Oh, come on. Now, if you're not very patient, I'm suggesting you shouldn't warm it up, because it takes a long time. By the way, people, you should use butter, not oil. So, let's go get the margarine. Where's the margarine? Where is the margarine? Is this the margarine? Oh, there's the margarine. And remember, if you're under age 5, if you're under age 5, get an adult to do this, because this also includes a knife. But it's very simple. You probably won't hurt yourself. If you do, then have a parent help you. If you're clumsy, have a parent help you. There. And you just slip that in. It melts. And it melts. And it's perfect. This is actually perfect margarine. I like this margarine. Better than the other margarine. Okay. So, and then you just put it back in the fridge. And then you take your spatula. And you move it over to where you put the butter. And you kind of just cover it with butter. If you're not patient, use butter. If you are patient, use oil. I'm not patient, so I use butter. It has nothing to do with your personality. It's just oil takes a long time and butter doesn't. Because butter just sizzles on the pan. Also makes your burrito nice and buttery. And it's just sizzling there. And it better be brown by now. Ugh. You know what? If you're not patient and the butter doesn't work, and you just need to get it off the pan, just get it off the pan. And you get a nice plate. You bring it back to the table. Nice bite out of it. It's very buttery, but... I haven't gotten to the avocado yet. That is so good. See you next time.